Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading, April 13 to 19, 2026. General reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Ayan. So kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. O kaya naman, you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Libra, let's see the energy for you this week. April 13 to 19. Nako, Libra. What is this? Okay. I feel like merong revelation dito of someone's intention sa'yo. Okay? Pwedeng sa relationship yan. Maaring makikilala mo kung ano talaga intention niya sa'yo, especially sa feelings niya towards you. Ano talaga yung plano niya sa buhay mo. You have the Three of Wands. I also see na pwede itong long distance relationship or merong distance between the two of you. Can be a challenging situation sa relationship with someone, or kung married kayo, no? Pwedeng sa marriage din ito. Pagdating rin sa work, I see kasi na meron ditong may pinangako, no? May pinangako sa'yo, tapos hindi pala tutuparin, hindi pala kayang tuparin. This can be related sa career, trabaho, or may pinangako sa'yo somewhere na, pag ginawa mo to, ito yung makukuha mo, pero hindi pala. So that can be disappointing para sa'yo, but at least nakita mo yung totoong intention. I also see here a major conversation with someone in authority, no? Can be sa government, sa yung mga leaders sa trabaho, or someone in authority sa buhay mo na may say or merong opinion about what you do. Oo. But I also see here na opportunity mo to na mag-explore ng iba pa. Oo. Kasi if this is not working for you, kumbaga parang inasahan mo na magiging okay to, tas hindi pala. So this is the opportunity for you to consider yung ibang mga plano mo sa buhay. Okay? Kasi dun ka mas magiging successful. You have the Six of Wands. I see na meron ditong redirection for you. Wherein dun ka mas ma-recognize, dun ka mas ma-validate, dun ka mas ma-reward, no? Especially in career here, no? Yung mga may issues, concerns sa kanilang trabaho or career. If something is not working for your career, job, or business, there's something na magbibigay sa'yo ng another opportunity wherein mas aligned yon sa kakayanan mo. Meron talagang admiration dito, some of you being admired dahil sa talino mo, sa galing mo magsalita, sa galing mong makipag-usap. So you can use that talents or abilities na mas mag-excel pa. Ayan, domination. Takpan na lang natin kasi baka maano tayo, ma-flag. Oo. So, yeah, this is Mars in the 9th house. I think ipapakita mo rito kung gaano ka kagaling. Kung ano yung, kasi yung iba sa inyo, ina-underestimate kayo ng ibang tao. Kala nila you're not good enough. Parang mas ini-impose nila yung beliefs nila sa'yo or kaalaman nila sa'yo, but actually, you know better than them. Okay? You know better than them. And you can definitely excel in any field na ipupursu mo as long as naniniwala ka sa sarili mo. Let's see what else. Attune to the divine. Ayan. So, alignment to the divine. I see na mas, nagkakaroon ka ng, awakening, realization na may mga bagay kang sinubukan, ginawa, kaya hindi nag-work for you is because there is another opportunity for you or something na mas ina-align for you wherein you will be free to express the things that you want to express. And then honor your feelings. Yes, so for you, Libra, mas magiging open ka sa nararamdaman mo. Hindi mo yan itatago para lang i-please ang iba, no? So if there you feel that there's something wrong, you will let know the person na ka-deal mo. Hindi dahil para i-please siya, but also just to be true to your feelings. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.